Google Photos just quietly added a feature that is going to save you time every single day. There is now a copy button right in the share sheet. Tap it once and the image is copied to your clipboard. No downloading, no waiting, no saving to your phone first. Just copy and paste it straight into any app, WhatsApp, iMessage, notes, social media, whatever. It even works with videos. This is one of those small changes that makes a massive difference once you start using it. Let me show you exactly how it works. Before this update, sharing a photo from Google Photos that was not already saved on your phone was painfully slow. You would open the photo, tap share, and then your phone would have to download the full resolution image from the cloud before it could send it. Depending on your internet connection, this could take a few seconds or sometimes much longer for large files. Only after the download was complete could you actually select the app you wanted to share it to. For one photo, this is mildly annoying, but if you're sharing multiple photos throughout the day, that waiting time adds up fast. Now there is a copy button right in the share sheet. Open your photo, tap the share icon, and you will see a new copy option alongside the usual sharing apps. Tap copy, and the image is instantly copied to your Google Android clipboard. Then just open any app, WhatsApp, Telegram, Notes, X, Instagram DMs, and paste. That's it. No download wait time, no intermediate save step. The image goes straight from Google Photos to your clipboard to whatever app you want. One tap to copy, one tap to paste. Here is exactly how to do it step by step. First, open Google Photos and find the image you want to share. You can either tap on the photo to open it in full view and then tap the share button, or you can select the photo from the grid view and tap share from there. Either way, the share sheet will open. Look for the new copy button. It should be visible alongside your usual sharing options. Tap copy. The image is now on your clipboard. Open any app that supports pasting images and paste it. If you use Gboard as your keyboard, the copied image will also appear in your Gboard clipboard history. This is not just for photos. The copy function also works with videos. Same process. Open the video, tap share, tap copy. The video is copied to your clipboard and you can paste it into supported apps. This is useful for short clips you want to send quickly without downloading the entire video file first. Between the copy feature for photos and videos and the recently added playback speed controls, Google Photos is getting some genuinely useful quality of life updates that make it faster and easier to use every single day. There is one thing to be aware of. When you copy an image using this method, the copied version may have a slightly lower resolution than the original file. Google reduces the size to keep the copy fast and to minimize any delay. For sharing on messaging apps and social media, this will not matter at all. Those platforms compress images anyway. But if you need the full original resolution, for example, for printing or editing, you should still use the traditional download method. Save the original to your phone first, then share the full quality file. This feature is rolling out in Google Photos version 7.71.0. To check if you have it, open Google Photos, tap your profile picture in the top right, then tap Google Photos Settings, then About. Your version number will be listed there. If you do not see the copy button yet, head to the Play Store and check for updates to Google Photos. If it is still not showing after updating, it may be a server-side rollout that has not reached your device yet. Give it a few days. Google often rolls out features gradually to different regions and devices. That is the new Google Photos copy feature. One tap to copy any photo or video to your clipboard. No downloading required. Open share, copy, paste, done. It works with Gboard clipboard, it works across all apps, and it is going to save you a surprising amount of time once you start using it. If this tip was useful, hit the like button.